Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have in one ice maker. It is brand wise Scotsman. This ice maker now it's not working. Actually, it's not making ice cube. Because of that, customer brought to the workshop. Now I have to check what is the problem exactly. Now for a texting, I already given power. Also water connection I given, and now more than 2 hours working continuously, but still never come even one ice cube. Because of that, I have to remove and check. Now I will show you what is the problem exactly. We will go to the next step and I will show you. Now you can see this one here. It is already water taken to the machine, and also the unit is running. You can see here the pump also working, but it's not making any ice cube. Because of that only actually customer brought to the workshop this one. Now we have to check what is the problem exactly. I already given water connection, everything. Also drain line also I fix here, but still not make any ice. This is Scotsman, the brand, the also the model ECM 46 EC Fit A33. This is the model 230 power. Also refrigerant 134A or 134. This is made in Italy brand. Actually, it's very nice, but I don't know what is the exactly problem. Now we have to check. We have to remove the top cover first. After that, we will check back cover. Also, we have to remove, because now at the moment, what I identify this machine, so water not draining. Actually, here water too much. Water not draining properly. Because of that, we have to check first of all water drain pump, and after that we will check. We will go to the next step. Now we will remove the top cover and we will check. The top cover here, 2 screws. After that we can remove. It's like that. We have to pull. Now we can remove this one. Here you can see here 18 ice cube. It should come down, but here it's cooling. It's okay, but it is not enough. First we have to check the drain pump, because the water not draining properly. Now we have to remove this cover, and after that we will check drain pump and all. We have to remove this cover. Now I can take cover. This one you can see here, it is too much corrosion. Actually, it's water came here and it's already corroded. Now I have to check the drain pump. Actually, why it's not working. This one water drain pump. Now I'm going to remove this. I already removed this set. Now I have to remove the drain pump. Also we can check the continuity and everything. If it is continuity okay, we have to check the pressure sensor. This is drain pump connector. We can remove and check pump continuity. The ohms 23.5 showing. Now we have to check this one. This is you can see here 230. This one you can see. Now you can see this one 230 power and 50 hertz, 100 watts. It is thermally protected. It's showing like that, but continuity is showing properly. But we have to check now. Now we have to check while running time, 230 power passing or not. If it is passing, it's having problem with the drain pump. But anyway, we have to check. Now I will give you the power connection, and we will check if it is 230 power supplying to the motor or not. Here, connection. Also after that, I can check here whether power supplying or not to the motor, and I can check like that, and I will give the power connection again. I already given power connection. Motor not running, drain pump. Remove all the water from the sump assemble. Now I have to check the what is the reason machine not drain pump not working. Now I can give separate current for the machine. I'm going to give separate power. And now I will give power here separately. After that we can check whether motor working or not. And I will give the power. Now I'm going to give power now. Yes, pump is working, no problem. Before so somebody repaired this one, and this one also broken, and they fixed. Now it is 100% okay. Pump is working, no any issue, no problem with the pump. Now I have to check inside. Now this tube, now here something problem with this tube. You can see this tube, this one already bent. I will take it out. After that we can find out very easily. I'm going to take it out now. Now I already remove the clamp and hose, and we will take it out. We can check what is the reason why is water not coming here. You can see this one somebody before, and they fixed like that. That's why water not came. This one already the wrong direction they fixed, because of that water not came. Now we will check after fixing properly, and we will check. We can fix this way also, and if it is mount is okay, this sump assemble here we can fix here also, no problem. Yeah, we will fix upside down now. This side we will fix up, because it's bent side we will take it down. because this one already bended here. That's why water not came for the sump assemble to the sump assemble. Now we will fix this way and we will check. Now I already fix here the tube with the clamp. Now I'm going to fix drain pump. It should be like that here. I will use UH proper seal. Otherwise water will leak from here also. Now I have to fix here. It's like that properly we have to fix. Now we have to mount like that. Okay, now temporary we can check. I will give the connection also, power connection to the pump. You have to fix properly all the hose because it will leak otherwise. I have to fix the supporting plate, otherwise this one will come out. It's coming like that. The two nuts also to close here. This one we have to check. We have to fix properly because while pressure come, chance to go out, clamp from the connector, water pump. Because of that, we have to fix this one. Now I already given connections, water connections, also all the pipes, everything I already fixed. Now I am giving power connection, power supply, and we will check what will happen to the machine. It will make ice cube or not. Now I already given power connections. Now we will start and check. Now it is already start. Water pump, pressure pump, it's working continuously. You can see here. Drain I already fixed here. Now we can check what will happen to this machine. We can open here. Yes, its compressor also starts making cool. Now we will check. We have to wait until making ice cube. We will wait and we will check what will happen. Now we can check what's happening now, what's going on. Now I already opened. Here you can see it's almost done. Ice already. Now it should come. Now you can see, my dear friends, it's already ice cubes are making. The problem with the machines is water drain pipe already bent, and water not draining. Because of that only problem. Now you can see now ice already making. Now I can fix machine and I can hand over to the customer. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video. Thanks for watching again.